Hi, in this video I'm going to do an unboxing video of the Rebluum security camera. So this is a wireless outdoor pan to zoom camera. So it's got 2K, so it's super clear, and it's color. Even for night vision, it's got color night vision. It's got two-way talk, and it works with Alexa. So you could use your smart devices to talk and view the camera. So let me show you the box and show you what it comes with and show you what's so cool about this camera. So right over here is the Rebluum camera. So here's the box that it comes in. It's got 355 degree pan and 90 degree tilt. And it's got forever power, right? So it's got a solar panel with an internal battery. So there's no wires and it's wireless. It connects to your Wi-Fi. So you can just put it anywhere as long as it's within range of your router. It'll work. It's got an internal micro SD card slot with which you could put in up to 128 gigabyte memory card, micro SD card, in order that you could store everything on the camera. So over here is the information for charging it. Plus you could also use a regular power adapter if you want to connect it for power. So let me open up the box and show you what's inside. So here's everything that comes inside the box. So over here is the solar panel. And you can see there's a cable connected to it. This is a Type-C cable right over here. And this is, looks like a tripod mount. So that'll connect to this mount over here. So you got the 3 screws. You're gonna mount this onto wherever you're putting it, on a tree or on a wall. And then you're gonna angle we're gonna use this mount to angle it in order to get a good amount of sun throughout the day for charging up the camera. This mount is the other mount. This is going to be for the actual camera. So this is going to go against a flat surface. You're going to put 3 screws into that surface. You can mount it against the wall. And then afterwards, it just slides onto the camera like this. Like that. And you're going to push it in all the way and then put in the 2 screws on top. What I really like about this design is a lot of times I'm high up on a tree or on a wall, on a ladder, and trying to balance the camera while putting the mount on the wall. And sometimes if you're not careful, the camera could fall because you're just balancing multiple things. But with this type of design where it's a 2-piece system, it makes it much easier to put the mount up and then put the camera without anything getting ruined. Over here, it's really nice. It's got templates for drilling these holes. And the cool thing about these templates, I haven't really seen this before, is there are stickers. So you can just stick it onto the wall instead of having like holding a paper up. You just put the sticker on the wall, and then you got those 3 holes for you to drill your holes in order to mount it properly. So over here on the camera, you can see on the bottom, over here it's got the USB Type-C hole for charging up the camera. And then in here is the slot for the micro SD card right over here on the bottom of the camera. It's got this rubber seal and it's on the bottom, so therefore it helps protect it from getting any water inside. These antennas, you can angle them in order to try to get a better connection to your Wi-Fi. And over here, it's a nice warning that it's built-in battery over here, so don't try screwing anything in there or damaging the camera. So I could just show you this real quickly, how this works. You just, oops. Try to do one hand. So here it is. So you could basically mount it however you need to. If it's down, it could go face up, or even if it's mounted on the side, you could just spin it over here and get it to a part where you'd have a good angle for getting good sun. So this is how you set up the Rebluum smart home surveillance camera. And you could look at the manual over here. I'll go through the next steps for how to get it all set up and working, and connecting it to the app, the Cloud Edge app, That's the name of the app. Go to Google Play or the App Store. That's CLOUDEDGE. And then over here it shows you how to walk through the steps to set it up and get it working. Then you go to Alexa in order to add the skills. Over here it just goes through. See, everything is really clear instructions on how to set it up. I'm not going to go through every single step because that's all in the instruction book, but I just wanted to show you basically how it works. It's got a sticker you can mount on your window if you like, just letting people know that they're being watched and you are not an easy target. So thanks for watching my video, the unboxing of the Rebluum solar security camera. If you have any questions about it, feel free to comment below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks, have an amazing day.